You want to change the game? You got to change the way that you eat. Kyrie, Dame Lillard, Tom Brady, Venus Williams, Enes Kanter, Lyonel Anderson. What do we all have in common? We're all vegan. I waited a year to tell you that I was vegan because I wanted to try it out. Ask my athletes. I will never put something in front of them that I have not done before or that I have not tried. So I didn't want to come to you guys last year and just say, hey, join me, let's be a vegan, because I didn't have enough trial and error with it. I could have kept being a vegan secret forever. But I figured, hey, there's other vegans out there that want to work out. There's other people out there that might want to become vegan that don't have an idea what to eat, that don't believe you can gain muscle while being vegan, that don't believe you can sustain size while being vegan. Well, I'm here to tell you, you can. Join me this month in the challenge. I'll post food, I'll post recipes. Let's start a new habit. This is for you, this is for us. Because I was there too. I was done playing football and I was weighing 255 pounds at 6'4". For what? Try something different. Get outside your comfort zone. And then bring someone with you. You've been thinking about it. It's the new fad, being vegan. It's the new shirt, right? Well, come on and try this Gucci. Come on and put this vegan on. Embrace it. 100% vegan. Let it be you and watch what happens.